Do you know what is on 1st October?
Right.
No.
1st October?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know either.
1st October, I don't know, What's someone's birthday?
गांधी जयंती से एक दिन पहले. No, yeah, 1st October usually. There is one thing more for 1st or 2nd October. Say, no, 8 days first this.
The women's related question.
No, I know what's on 2nd October. That's Gandhi Jayanti. इतना याद नहीं रहता है. 1st October ला का आएगा सुनेगा.
1st October
में क्या रहेगा ये?
It's Saturday only.
Your birthday?
There's an exam. My death day. Yeah, my death day.
इससे नहीं तेरे को पता है हाँ. Oh God, only one of those people who don't know.
What is it?
On this Elders' Day in 2011, I think we need also to talk about the positive dimensions of aging. What some authors have referred to as active aging, others have referred to as successful aging, and yet others have given it the nomenclature graceful aging. If one was to look closely at senior citizens across the world, one would find that many of them are still happy, leading meaningful lives. The positive psychology movement, in fact, is sending out a strong message that psychology has overly looked at deficits in people and not enough on the ways in which they enhance their life. Hence, aging is also probably an issue which is the victim of only being looked at in terms of deficits. In fact, in the Indian culture, retirement has been seen as a well-deserved phase of life, an event that leads you to settle down, to lead a life which can be devoted to other pursuits, anything from spirituality to social work to giving in society. Retirement and the stage of life after retirement has not necessarily been looked at in a negative light. Research tells us that even after 60, in fact, you are what you have always been. Life is a continuity. There is no dramatic change of personality or character once you enter what is referred to as the years 60 plus. There is one happy finding for the elderly in our country, which is that in the last 2 decades, the literacy among the older population has been growing. They have also developed an attitude of wanting to find out about the changes in the world and not becoming diffident about picking up new skills. At the end, I would like to say that a mentally happy, healthy and fit elderly person would probably be prompted to say, I am only 22 with 35 years of experience. With this, I wish you all a happy Elders' Day, and I hope that we will all remember our elders on this particular day. With love and respect.